Hi all, I wanted to come out with two simple indicators using which anybody in the world can trade. You don't need to be an expert, alright? So before I begin, I would like to mention that this is an educational channel. Please read the disclaimer that you see on the screen and in the description below. With that said, let's proceed. We'll straight away jump into the page that we are going to be discussing. First, we'll not split the screen. We will let the screen be what it is. I'm going to be using Bank Nifty charts for this. Or let's use the futures chart. Actually, I'll have to split the screen because the view that I want will only come if I split the screen. On the left hand side, I'll have Nifty futures, or you can do it with spot as well. I think it'll work on spot as well. Let me see if it works on midcap because volume data is sometimes not available. It's not working on Fin Nifty because I think the volume data is not available. So anyways, let's stick to futures. So we'll stick to Nifty and Bank Nifty futures and Midcap and Fin Nifty futures as well. This is as simple as a chart can get. It cannot get simpler than this. As you will see, there are no moving averages also on the screen. All right, there's nothing basically. Let's build this from scratch. I'll delete all indicators. So on the left hand side, you have indicators that I want to show you. On the right hand side, you don't. We will build the right hand side from scratch. Just type in day open line. Once you click on day open line, you'll get these three options. Click on the one that says 3 days open high volumes by TTC Yugo. This the one that's got 68 next to it right now. Once more people save it as favorites, this number will go up. So we want this one, 3 days open high low. We'll click on this. Sorry about that. Let's click on this. So that indicator has come in. Now I have made the changes to the indicator, but basically if I reset it, this is how the indicator looks. It tells you a whole lot of information that in the future, if you want, you can use. If you want to use today, you can probably use it. I'll show you the way I use it. All right. So I only use open. I don't use anything else. So for the time being, I'll unselect everything. This is yesterday's open and high and low. I don't want 2 days open, high and low. I don't want all of this. Nothing. I just want this in yellow color, in a bright yellow. And I want to see it as a dashed line or maybe a solid line. Yeah, I'll see it as a solid line or maybe an arrow line with an arrow on the left. Okay. Yeah, I'll use that. So that's all, guys. I just need that. If you want, you can mark the high and low as well. It'll show you the high. For this example, I'll probably mark it white. And I'll make this say dashed line. And I'll mark the low also white, and I'll make this also a dashed line. All right. So it's telling me the high and low. This is optional for you. You want to do it, don't do it. For this example, I'm not going to be using it. I'm only going to be using current day open. That's it, nothing else. All right, everything else is unticked. I only want this current day open. Use the color that you find most visible to you and nothing else. Style, nothing to choose, just line. Let it be the way it is. Only current day open, everything else is unchecked. All right, and click on OK. Okay, so we just have one line over here. Next is we will use our MACD. Again, mine has already been worked to 220, but if I set it to reset settings, MACD looks like this basically. All right, what I do is I uncheck histogram and I make this yellow line, zero line, yellowish. and from dotted I change to a dash line, and I use MACD, I use kind of a fluorescent green, and for this I use kind of a purple kind of a color, and over here I say fast length 2, slow length 20, signal smoothing 20. That's it. You get very similar to what you see on the left hand side, right? It's as simple as that. All right, so we will cancel this for now. We'll remove this also because I've already shown you the settings. Here I will also change my default. Once you make the changes, save it as, I can say save this as default. So whenever I use this indicator, it'll come up this way, and I'll apply this to the entire layout. So this is what I get on the left hand side. I've got Nifty. On the right hand side, I've got Bank Nifty. It can't get simpler than this, guys. Very simple. MACD cuts, green cuts the purple, purple goes below the zero line. Here this goes below the open line short. This MACD moves above the zero line. Here it goes above the open line long. Here it goes below the open line. Here short. Simple. Here it goes below the open line. MACD is cutting into the purple and is already below the zero line in MACD short. Here it's going above the zero line. Green is above the purple. Here you have a minor long opportunity. I mean, just 27-30 points kind of a thing. Simple. See, I can make it more complex, and that will work out for more people by using, I can use some J-line series concepts and all of that, but no, I don't want to use anything. So on this day for Nifty, I would have only shorted twice. Once over here and once over here. Simple. I would have taken this short. This is about close to 100-point short, and this is about 72-point short. Simple. There's a third short also because it's already below the line. Is this short, which is about 30. The 3 shorting opportunities in Nifty. Bank Nifty, there's a shorting opportunity here of 135 points. Then there's a long opportunity over here of about 160 points. Then there's a second shorting opportunity over here for about 50 points. All right, let's look at Midcap and Fin Nifty. On the left hand side, I've got Midcap. On the right hand side, I've got Fin Nifty. Very clear cut shorting opportunity over here in Midcap. See over here, it's cutting across the day open line. MACD at the bottom, cutting across. Here is the long opportunity. MACD is going above the zero line. Here it's going above the day open line. Very simple. 2 opportunities in Midcap, no other opportunities. Here you see a shorting opportunity in Fin Nifty, but here it's giving you a confirmation very late. So this would have not been a very great short. Here also in Fin Nifty, it's giving you a long opportunity. This long could have been taken. It's a long of about 57 points, but I would say all in all, not a great day on Fin Nifty to trade. Chances are you would have not lost money. You would have either made some money or gone into break even. Last couple of days, I've been trying to trade only Bank Nifty and Midcap Nifty because these are the 2 indices where I see volatility happening and chances to make money are higher. Sometimes Nifty too. I've been totally avoiding Fin Nifty for the last couple of days, but that aside, you can use this even for maybe natural gas and crude. It'll just work. Reason being, these concepts are fundamental. Go long in natural gas here. Simple. Go long in natural gas again over here. Simple. Crude breaks out over here. Simple. Go long. Above the open line. And here it's crossing above. Now, if you want to fit in crude into a daily chart kind of a thing, yeah, this is crude on the 15 minutes time frame. Again, it's not different. Here is the In natural gas long opportunity, here's another natural gas long opportunity. Here is the crude long opportunity. Simple. It's as simple as that. Here you see it's cutting across the zero line. The reason we would have not taken the trade is over here it's not gone above the day open line. Very simple. So the indicator kind of saves you, and you see it working on the 15 minutes time frame as well for natural gas and crude oil. Let's try Ethereum and Bitcoin. So on the left hand side I've got Ethereum, on the right hand side I'll use Bitcoin. We are on the 15-minute time frame. Simple. Here MACD is above the zero line. Here it's going above day open. Go long. Same over here. Go long. When you go back, you will see a shorting opportunity over here. But again, we are not seeing yesterday's candle. So there would have been, I don't know where the day open over here would have been. But for today, at the opening itself, you would have got, and I'm talking according to our time zone, which is 5:30 plus. Okay. We are in the Indian time zone. So if you are sitting in America, your charts, your day end, the session open for you will be somewhere else. And if you're sitting in Europe, the day open for you will be somewhere else. Your session will be different. But from where I am sitting, very simple. MACD is going above the zero line. Here it's going above the day open, go long. So you see this works on all time frames. I mean, not all. I use it on the 5 minutes for indices. And on crude and natural gas, maybe on the 15 minutes time frame. And on the Ethereum and Bitcoin on the 15 minutes or 30 minutes time frame. 15 minutes basically. So let's switch back to 5 minutes because our focus is on Nifty and Bank Nifty. We will go to let's see the Nifty spot chart and Bank Nifty spot chart. Simple. Bank Nifty. Boom. Long opportunity. Short opportunity. Full of opportunities. I mean, let me go back to my futures because I am more comfortable with futures chart. This is what it is, guys. It's as simple as this. If you're restricted to only 2 indicators, and if you're on the free version of TradingView, it doesn't need to get more complicated than this. It's very simple. If at all you are on the paid version, then I'll tell you what are the things I'll add. I'll add a CM EMA trend bars. All right, CM EMA trend bars, and I'll add, and maybe an RSI. RSI, you all know my settings. I only use the 60% line on this setting. So I will merge these two. Move to existing plane below. Pin to scale, no scale, full screen. Very simple. I'm only doing this to get a double, triple confirmation. Do I need this? No. I would have shot it a little earlier if I had CM EMA trend bars. And over here, I would have gone long a little earlier. So you have those advantages if you have additional indicators, all right? But you don't need them as such. Yeah, day line open you will not get on on normal trading platform. I don't think they're there. I'm not too sure though whether any like Dhan or Fairs or Zerodha have a day open line. I wish they do. If they had that, then you don't need to even come over here. You can just use EMA 34, which is nothing but CM EMA trend bars, and you're good to go. Only thing you will not get is the candle color change and the EMI color change, where when it's going down, the moving arrow will change to red or whatever color you give it. That you will not get. But EMA 34 is basically CM EMA trend bars. All right. So work out whether day line open is available on your trading platform or not. See, day line open, out of experience, I'm telling you, is very important. And this I've realized in the last couple of months. And I was trying to find an indicator which only tells me in the day line open, and I've eventually found one. The day line open, guys, very important, where the market is open. And this line forms as soon as the market opens. All right. You just got to have an MACD or an RSI at the bottom, and you can work with it. It's as simple as that. Even an RSI in its default settings will probably give you good results. So if you are only restricted to 2, then use the MACD 22020 is the setting. You can even try 821.5. People on my channel know what I'm talking about. And RSI, you can probably just try 70-30 or 80-20 with the center line at 50. They all will work, all right? All you got to do is coordinate the candles above and with the indicator at the bottom, and you're good to go. You may not make as much money as somebody else with more indicators will make, but what you will make is safe money, which is coming with absolute clarity, no doubts, no confusion. It cannot get simpler than this. This is as simple as trading can get. If I could call this video something, I would say indicators for dummies, or 2 indicators for the world to trade. All right, as simple as that. You don't need more than these 2. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you in some form or the other. If it was, then kindly like and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your family and friends. Please give this video a thumbs up. It motivates us to make more videos for you. If you're already a subscriber, please consider becoming a member on the channel. We release exclusive content for members, which are on advanced topics. Yesterday, I've released a very important video called Advanced Fibonacci Retracement, which is now automated. We have found a way to automate that. Also subscribe to our free Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description below in all our videos. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.